Are you a new driver who just got your license? Or maybe you're still learning the ropes and want to feel more confident behind the wheel. Driving can be stressful at first, but don't worry, today I'm giving you 7 main tips every new driver must know to drive like a pro. Stick with me, because these tips could save you time, money, and maybe even your life. Tip 1. Get comfortable with your car. Before you even start moving, take time to understand your car. Adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel. Know where your lights, wipers, and hazard button are. A pro driver doesn't fumble around while driving, they're always in control. Tip 2. Avoid distractions. One of the biggest mistakes new drivers make is using their phones or getting distracted by music. Keep your focus 100% on the road. Remember, even a 2-second distraction can cause an accident. Pro drivers always stay alert. Tip 3. Keep a safe following distance, don't tailgate. Always maintain at least a 3-second gap between you and the car in front. If it's raining or the road is bad, increase it to 5 seconds. That's what pros do to stay safe. Tip 4. Master smooth braking and acceleration. A common sign of a rookie driver is rough starts and sudden stops. Practice pressing the gas and brake pedals smoothly. Pros drive in a way that passengers barely feel the movement. Tip 5. Use your mirrors. Don't just glance, your mirrors are your best friends. Check them regularly, especially when changing lanes or merging. Pro drivers have full awareness of what's happening all around them, not just in front. Tip 6. Learn defensive driving, expect the unexpected. Assume other drivers may make mistakes, and always be ready to react safely. That's the mindset that separates a pro from a beginner. Tip 7. Practice, practice, practice. Driving is a skill. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Don't just stick to quiet streets, try highways, night driving, and different weather conditions. A pro driver is confident in any situation. So, there you have it, 7 main tips for new drivers to drive like a pro. Remember, being a great driver is about safety, awareness, and practice. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who just started driving. And let me know in the comments which of these tips do you think is the most important for new drivers?